Here we have the pericardium, the left auricle, the right auricle, the apex of the heart. When we open the heart, we have the interventricular septum, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. For the digestive system of the cat, we have the greater omentum. Over here we have the liver, and we have 7 lobes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. From the liver, you can see the gallbladder. On the opposite side, we have the spleen. And then from the spleen, we have the pancreas. And it goes all the way down into here. Here we have the urinary system of the cat. We have the kidney right here. This is the cortex, which is the outer portion, lighter. The medulla, which is the inner portion, which is darker. And then the renal pelvis, which is the opening. We then have the ureter and the urinary bladder. Here we have the respiratory system of the cat. This is the thoracic cavity, the diaphragm, the lobes of the lungs. We have the anterior lobe, the middle lobe, and the posterior lobe. On the other side, we have the anterior lobe, the middle lobe, and the posterior lobe. Down here we have the mediastinal lobe. Moving up, we have the larynx. Inside we have the epiglottis. Down here we have the trachea with C-shaped cartilage rings. On the back side of the trachea, we have the trachealis muscle. And behind all of this, we have the opening of the esophagus. It goes all the way down. The esophagus enters the stomach right in here. Here we have the stomach. The parts of the stomach are the fundus, which is above where the esophagus comes in. Then we have the body of the stomach, and then the pylorus. The pyloric sphincter is right here. We next go to the C-shaped duodenum. From the duodenum, we go to the jejunum with its fatty mesentery. Here we have the ileum. This is the cecum, and the ileocecal valve is right here. We then have the ascending colon, transverse colon, and the descending colon.